This is a video of trains.
I think there's 357 first or underground.
357.
357 underground. Becoming one. They're early today, so the 3B one soon.
If I was in my 80s, I'd still go out. So I think, well, I might not have long left. You're having my baby today, yeah? Oh, you've got my thank you. I was cat the other day.
There's a train coming, Ethan.
Train coming.
357. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 coaches.
8 coaches. Yeah.
God, I went to grab it. You just got, oh no, I went to grab it. That's the reason why. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, so I see she had a mask on and that, yeah. So the bin on Amical Road. Throw a plate in there. No, I've broken a plate. So I'll just take this up and throw it in the bin.
Could see an underground train soon. S stop.
I said, she said a letter. I said, oh, it must be, because obviously you coming out.
Get her. Did she do that?
Does anyone want ice? She said, I'll get back. Thank you. No, you don't want ice?
I'm sorry for the waiting.
Well, train, the district lines on special service for essential journeys. Same as C2C, they're on the special service for essential journeys.
No, it's staying longer. And have you told them about tests? No, it's longer than that. I'm sure it's August.
She's got COPD.
Yeah, I'm sure it's August, end of August. That cat.
Tony.
No. Oh, right. You might have to do this. No, I really like the one we've got.
I'm going to wait for them to see.
Got that
Yeah.
rubber at the bottom, so you can just lift it up.
We're already 2 minutes
Where
in.
is it?
We did see a 357. Couldn't get the number low.
Yeah. Yeah, no, you get up there and they're all fine with it. Come out, yeah. So now we've got the one with the rubber at the bottom, so you can just push it off and it come out. You don't want it, no, you lose them all.
Oh, you.
Yay!
Snails.
Hold on.
Oh, you need to take it back.
Oh, on my neck. Put it on my neck. Oh, it's
Yeah.
Oh, you could get Ethan with that.
Yeah, but-
Ethan, can you put your hat please back on?
You're right. It's really melting
Can we have
fast.
it?
Look at that. It's just going.
Is it Charles?
That's not cold when you hose Linda.
Can we have it, please?
That's quite nice.
Nice.
Oh, go on, Sarah.
Yeah. Do you want one down your back?
Yeah. Is it Charles?
I don't know.
That's nice.
It's nice, isn't it?
Tell you what, Ash, that was really lovely.
Ethan does.
Do you want one, Alicia? Yeah, because you got wet earlier.
Yeah, I already have one, though. Mine is just dried.
Oh, nice.
Put it on the back of your neck.
Oh, my car right there. So I can't get on.
Yeah. But it's probably just parked about 5 minutes away.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. You did say part on the drive, didn't you? Yeah.
You can park anywhere there, because it's after 10, 12, 11 where you can't park on the yellow line.
Oh, you did say to me, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, you just pick it up and you put it down your front.
Oh, no, he's coming for me. He does it to me all the time. Or he did it to Mum.
You've got ice. You've got ice. You've got ice tea. Ice tea.
That
find it on my neck.
No, he does like yeah.
You got ice cube down your back.
He'll drop it down there and then hold it against your skin.
It just goes to show how hot it is.
Do this under 10 minutes. Because then you need your phone number. And I'm not doing my phone number. And I couldn't do live because I don't have a webcam. I've got ice down my back. Yeah, we've got ice down our back, don't we?
He does it to, he would do it into me in the winter if we have ice in the freezer. I'm not joking.
There's not even no train. Not even a single underground train.
Hey, one.
We still have a rabbit
I've got some ice cream if anyone wants later.
Thank God, is that easy?
Alright, Neil. Right.
For you.
Right.
It's a bit too warm for us to complain. It's very warm.
Right, Neil.
Alright.
Yeah.
Here's one.
It's a 315! We found a 315! Overground! 4 coaches!
Why do you like them?
I only like the overground ones.
I didn't know that was one of mine around.
Never used to know. It used to be great around it.
It used to be Greater Angela, then Silverlink. It used to be Silverlink from late 90s to 2007.
It was 2007.
Yeah, but and then it changed to National Express. I think it changed to one in 2004 to Silverlink. It used to be Overground. But they did change it. Well, let's say Overground. The Emerson Parkway didn't used to be Silverlink, but it used to be First Straight Eastern plus First Straight Eastern, then one, then National Express East Anglia, then Greater Anglia, now over London Overground.
They're here
Look,
one.
Ethan, did you tell Lauren what you got from Smith's?
Oh. Got
Smith's toy for his birthday money.
Hot Wheels.
You got Hot Wheels?
Wheels, big circuit.
I like Hot Wheels.
Yeah,
No,
when you
one.
come round eventually, you come round, you have to have a go. It's a big circuit thing.
It's like
Good.
Yeah.
track, right? And you know something from Hot Wheels. You were saying to Mum, can you set up the Hot Wheels? Not wheels, the Hot Wheels.
Oh, just put your ice down your front. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I got it on myself. Oh, that's nice. Who cares? It's the ice challenge. It's not ALS.
Oh, where are you?
Oh, it's 8 minutes.